what do we call? I don't remember this friend. And if there is no adjective, I mean noun, so which means it's also, right? If
not also,
remember,
although.
true. Although.
Good. So that's a comma. That little friend is a comma. You should write this down because at the beginning of the class you also asked about this one. That's a question mark. That's a comma.
Question mark.
Full stop. Which one else? There is this one, exclamation
Last one
mark.
is point, right?
Full stop. Full stop. This one changes according to what you're talking about. If it's a sentence, it's
and also mean, right? Because in Turkish it's also changed.
Yes. If, for example, you're telling people your email address, you're going to say Moureen Tiara moureen@gmail.com. So you're not going to say full stop com.
Right.
.com. So it's dot. And when else? If you're talking about, for example, the number of people or the number of percentage, you can say 3.2. 3.2. For example, 3.2 grams. You're not going to say 3 full stop 2. No. You're not going to say 3.2. No. You're going to say point. 3.2. All right. So this one is a comma.
What about for explanation?
What do you mean by explanation? This is exclamation.
This friend.
Which one?
Explains, for example, and we use this and we're gonna explain. What do we mean?
This one?
Yes, this friend. Or with 2 points.
This is a semicolon. And this one is a colon. Good question, actually. I had forgot those. It's a colon. And this is a question mark. Question mark.
And in English, I don't remember. If we use this, what was it? We are saying and doing this moves. What was that mean?
Those are quotation marks.
This.
Because you're quoting something. So quotation mark. Since we have 2, we're going to say quotation marks.
3.2 gram.
Question. Any more?
No.
All right. You done writing?
X. I need to be faster.
And this one is slash.
I remember.
What about this one?
Plus.
Yeah, plus. This one?
Negative.
Yes, depending on what you're talking about. If you're talking about the weather, you could say -2. But if you're talking about mathematics, 9 minus 5. So it's going to be minus.
Minus.
Yes, the name changes according to what you're talking about. Minus. And here it's going to be negative. Negative. This one is plus. What about this one? Oh, this one is slash, but sometimes depending, if you're talking about numbers, for example, 5, 2, you're going to call it divide. So 5 divide by 2. in mathematics. I think in mathematics, generally it's written like, 1 minute, like this and 2. Oh, it might be confusing now. 1 minute. There is also this one. Oh, my fingers. This one. What's this one?
Percent.
Perfect. Very good. Yes. Percent. Percent. All percentage. What about this one? That one.
Equal.
Yeah, equal or equals to. I think that's all. Any other questions? I don't see any other marks on my keyboard. Oh, we also have these. What are those?
I don't know.
Brackets. Brackets.
Yes. Brackets.
Brackets, like, it looks like a blanket. It's covering something, but they're brackets.
That's true. Slash question marks. Okay.
Yep. And this one is divide by if you're doing mathematics.
Teacher, and if we read it's 5 floor, we're gonna say 5. We don't gonna say 5-point floor. We're gonna say 5th floor, right? If it has point.
Yes. Generally in English, they do not write. I think in Turkish they write. Actually, my Turkish teacher also told me this. I was saying 5.
You have a Turkish teacher and you didn't tell me?
Matosh.
Why I'm learning in everything lost?
So in Turkish, I think you just said beşinci kat, and there is no nji here. But in English, generally, if you're saying 5th floor, they write with a th. So 5th floor.
Yes.
Yes. Don't write 5.
There is no point.
There is no point. Yes, there is 5th. So there is that small difference.
And we don't use plus and NCI at the same time, isn't it? In Turkish.
Are you asking me for Turkish? I should be asking you.
Teacher, you're Turkish.
All right. Do you have any other questions? Any math questions? We are doing
math. No, now we are ready for number 5.
All right, let's continue. Let's